Need help with writing? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, create outlines, write first drafts, improve grammar, rewrite content, and polish your work for different audiences. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for writing in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to ChatGPT and click New Chat. Starting a fresh conversation helps you keep each writing project organized. Giving each project its own chat also makes it easier to find later. Next, explain what you want ChatGPT to write. Include the topic, target audience, tone, length, and any important details you want included. Detailed prompts usually produce better writing. ChatGPT will generate a draft based on your instructions. Read through the response carefully and identify anything you'd like to improve or expand. The first draft is often just the starting point. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite paragraphs, improve grammar, adjust the tone, simplify the language, add examples, or shorten the content until it matches your needs. Take a moment to continue refining the draft with follow-up prompts. If your account supports file uploads, add outlines, PDFs, notes, or reference documents to give ChatGPT more context for your writing. Providing relevant source material often leads to more accurate results. Before sharing or publishing your work, review the final draft for accuracy, clarity, and consistency. Make any final edits so the content reflects your own voice and goals. So you've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT for writing, and that's how to use ChatGPT for writing. Whether you're creating articles, emails, reports, essays, scripts, or social media posts, ChatGPT can help speed up the writing process while improving the quality of your work. The more clearly you explain what you want, the better your final results will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.